Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Luiza and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful butterfly out of empty toilet paper rolls. We're only going to need 2 rolls for this project and each roll is gonna get cut into 8 equal pieces. For the butterfly's body we're going to need 3 of these pieces. Each one is gonna get cut one time and then rolled up. After we roll each one of them, we're going to glue them together. For the first wing, we're going to need 4 of these pieces. One of them is going to be the outer layer, so we're gonna set it aside. Then, for the first piece, we're going to mark down 1 centimeter, for the second 2 centimeters, and for the third 3 centimeters. We're going to cut each of the pieces on the mark we created earlier. This way, we're going to have 6 individual pieces. Each one of these pieces is going to get glued inside of the outer layer, just as I'm about to show you. If you enjoy this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Now we are going to create another wing, just like the first one. Now for the second set of wings. This is going to be similar to the first set, but we're only going to need 2 pieces for each wing, and we're going to cut pieces of 2 centimeters and 3 centimeters. We're going to glue the biggest piece so it will act as our outer layer. Besides that, the process is identical to the first set of wings. And now for the last wing, just like the one before. And now with the last piece, we're going to create the butterfly's antennas. And now that we have all of our elements, we can start piecing it together. This is how it's going to look in the end. Now all we have to do is piece it all together. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment as it helps my channel tremendously. See you on the next one. Bye!